faces fade to black as they move from the light. Am I even real, even real? Everywhere I look, I'm starting to feel time is eating me alive, me alive. Drown again, alive. Who am I? Time is eating me glued to the floor, I'm not moving anywhere. Locked inside of a crowd that couldn't care less. Everything was moving so